In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send multiple invoices to one recipient in Xero. This process is not only straightforward, but also a great time saver for those handling multiple transactions with the same client. So let's dive right in and get started. Begin by logging into your Xero accounting software. Simply navigate to the Xero website and you'll see the login option. Here, just enter your email and password. In case you don't have an account yet, you will need to create one to follow along with this tutorial. Once you've filled in your credentials, hit that login button and you will be redirected to your dashboard. Now that we're on the dashboard, take a look at the top menu and click on Business. This will unveil a drop-down menu with various options. From here, click on Invoices. This section is where you will manage all of your invoices, which makes it a crucial part of the Xero experience. Once you are in the invoice section, look for the tab labeled Awaiting Payment. This tab will show you a list of all the invoices that are yet to be paid. It's a great way to keep track of your outstanding payments and see exactly what needs to be sent out to your clients. Now, it's time to select the invoices you want to send. Simply check the boxes next to each invoice that you want to include in the email to your client. If you realize that you've selected the wrong invoice, no worries, just uncheck it. After selecting all relevant invoices, look for the email button. Clicking this will open up the email module within Xero. Here's where the magic of technology makes things easier for us. You have the option to edit the email that your client will receive. Maybe you want to add a personal touch, include additional details, or simply change the subject line. Feel free to make any necessary adjustments here. Once you're satisfied with how the email looks, the final step is to hit the Send button. Clicking this will dispatch the selected invoices directly to your client's inbox. It's as simple and as efficient as that. You've now successfully sent multiple invoices to a single recipient with just a few clicks. And there you have it. Sending multiple invoices to a single recipient in Xero is a breeze with this step-by-step guide. Remember, by maximizing efficiency with processes like these, you not only save time but can also enhance your productivity and focus on more important aspects of your business. Thank you for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more useful content.